ahead, Tish.
Hey, Mr. Goldclass. Today we're going to show you my water distiller and show you how to do it. So down here's the oven that reflects the sun and makes all the heat. I don't know how well it's going to work because it's cloudy outside and you know it's 4:30. Let's get started with some of the main things that we need to get done first. So first thing is we got to get the oven done. It's already done though, so it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and put the bowl in the oven.
I already knew. No.
Which is already there. So that also doesn't need to be done. So let's go ahead and take this pan right here and these 2 cups of water and add some salt to it. Let's go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt to the 2 cups of water, so that way we can get our salty solution. Alright, there we go. I'll mix this up a bit. Alright, now we got that. Now we got that. We're going to go ahead and pour it into here. So that's that. Now I know what you must be thinking right now. How is it going to distill the water? Well, that's where this comes in hand. This little tuna can here. So what I did is I cleaned off a few rocks, so that way we can drink it. I went ahead and stuck them in here. That's going to be our weight. Waste down into there. So now that that's staying there, how are we still going to distill it? Ah, I know. Let's use some saran wrap. That sounds like a good idea. Let's go ahead and get my other helper over here, please. Thank you. The saran wrap is just a goofy material to use. You can either work with you or not work with you. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and make this thing tight, but not too tight, so that way we can have a dip in the middle of this, because that dip is what's going to make the water drip down into the little pan, or the tuna can. Thank you. One more. I think maybe one more piece of tape should do it. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're also, for the next step in this, is we're going to put some coins right here to make the dip, and it's a little too tight, so go ahead and kind of open this up a bit more. Right there, yeah. There we go, there we go. Okay, so now we make a bigger dip. That way it works a little bit better. So there we go. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and put it on the last piece of tape. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what the initial thing is going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this lid on here, and I'm going to stick that in the glass bowl. And the heat trapped inside of it should heat it up fairly quickly, hopefully. And it should boil, or at least make the water evaporate. And the evaporated water is just going to go ahead and go up into the saran wrap here, and it's going to condense and like go to where the dip is and drip into the tuna can. So, alright, since that's done, we're going to go ahead and take it and put it in to the glass bowl. Alright, now that that's in place, we're going to go ahead and put the first lid on. You don't want it on all the way, so that way the heat can get into it and stuff. So, then last we're gonna put this glass plate over it, just like that. Now I'm gonna switch you guys to time lapse so that we can see it kind of boil and stuff. So I'm gonna have to stop my phone for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys into time lapse. Here we go. Hey guys, okay, so we're back here for a quick water checkup. It's been at least a good old hour or so. Let's go ahead and see what progress we have got. It's looking a little hot. Alright. I'm not seeing a whole lot. Nothing too big. I mean, it does look fairly hot, and yeah, it's pretty hot. So I mean, it should start collecting within a few more hours or so. I mean, the sun is going down, and it's like 5:11. Somewhere around that time. From that, it's still working. It is working though, because as you saw on the saran wrap, it's condensing on the saran wrap. So I'm gonna switch you guys back over to hyperlapse again, and away we go. Alright, sorry Mr. Klaus, I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow. I'm not gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna move it up into my garage. I'm gonna leave everything how it is, but in my garage. And we're gonna try and put it out tomorrow when there's more sun, not so much cloud. So let's hope it works tomorrow. Peace. Hello Mr. Grossklaus, this is day 2 of me attempting to distill this water. I just got this out here, so this is what it looks like. It's facing the sun, which is up there in that direction. So that way this foil around the pot will heat up the pot and stuff. So let's hope it works this time. I'm gonna set you guys down right there. Yeah, right there. That looks pretty good. Nothing's been tampered with. Promise. Oh, I'm so tired. Alright, let's do this. Setting you guys up for time lapse. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got ourselves some boiling water. Let's check it out. Alright guys, yeah, there's some water in there. Let's check this out. There we go. Okay, we got the proper angles, I think. You know what, here, I'm just going to take you guys with me. So, give me a second. Alright, let's check this thing out. there. All right. Looks pretty good to me. All right. Let's check this out. All right, let's get this water. Let's get this water out of this thing. There we go. Let's try not to spill it. Set it right here. Alright, get that out of the way. Go and pop this thing open. See what it is. See what it's all about. Whew, this thing's hot. I'm going to go grab a measuring spoon. We're gonna measure out how much. Oh man, this stuff's hot. Ouch. Yeah, water level's gone down, and there's some water in the tuna cup. Oh, gotta be careful. Wow, salt kind of corroded the tuna can a little. That's funny. Alright, let's grab this. Let's put it right there. Alright. I'll be right back with a measuring cup. Alright guys, okay, so I just got back out of my house. Grabbed this measuring cup right here. Well, that's really close. Hold up, there we go. Alright, there we go. So I grabbed the measuring cup, here it is. I don't know if you guys can tell on screen. Oh my gosh, that was close. Hold on, give me a second. Let me get you guys aligned. Alright, there we go. Don't know if you guys can tell, but there's, I think, at least a cup of water in there. If not, maybe more. There's quite a bit in there, though. This distiller does work pretty good. Okay, good. It's cooled down just a bit. There it is. There's at least a cup, if not more. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be drinkable. There's like floating pieces of silver in there. But you know what? I'm going to just measure it out. And I'll let you know if there's a cup of water in there or not. Oops. Ah. Water's still fairly warm. There's just a little under, it's like a half a cup. If not, no, a little more than half a cup. A good, I guess if you really wanted to put in like numbers or whatever, it's like 75% of water's been distilled into the cup, so there's about quite a bit of water in there. So yeah. Alright. So cheers. And I am going to take a little sip. I'll just be careful not to drink any of it. Alright. Yeah, fresh water. That distiller does work. It works pretty good. So, hold up. Mailman came by. How funny. Alright, well, anyway. Well, Mr. Grossclose. There's my water distiller. Yeah, it works. The water tastes fresh. Fresh water, it's amazing. So, I'm glad I could do this experiment. I gotta clean everything up. That's a lot of fun. Anyway, have a good one.